What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. All right, you guys, so we're breaking down Naked Brand, or ticker symbol NAKD. I have my lines and graphs already set for you guys. We're starting from the higher time frame, that being the daily time frame, so that way we're able to apply multiple time frame analysis. We closed on Friday almost up 2%. Excuse me. So this bottom line right here represents our major support line, and this can be tested. We can see below we came up and we're hitting in this area. We're acting as resistance. We finally came up, hit this major resistance. Then we kind of chopped around in this area. It was working as resistance below and working as a floor above. Ultimately, when it was trying to create a breakout over here and over here, we got rejected all the way underneath our support. So once we broke below that support, it was working as resistance, which explains why we had this tight little consolidation right here. So as of right now, before my previous video when I was doing an update, we didn't have this tight consolidation. We were kind of just right under this resistance line, and I told you guys if we can break above this support line, this would be a great buy as long as you have your stop loss. So as of right now, we are right above this support line, you guys. We are above the trend line, so that also shows that buyers are trying to step up. We look at the RSI, we were oversold and now trying to correct, so that's another good sign. And Naked usually has a good volume, so that's all the checkbox checked off, you guys. So the next thing that you guys need to do is find your first target and where you're going to place your stop loss. So like I said, what I'm saying right now, this could potentially be a great buy as long as you use the right method. So as long as you have your stop loss set, I would probably have your stop loss below the 45-cent area, so that way you give yourself some wiggle room just in case we do peekaboo back below this area. You don't get tagged out immediately and then end up going higher, because that does happen a lot. If you have your stop loss too tight, then a lot of times you'll get shaken out by a candlestick wick. So have your stop loss below there. You don't have to have it that far down, but just like I said, give yourself some wiggle room. Your first target, as maybe for a day trader, would be back around the 70-cent area or the 75-cent area. And for you swing traders, it'd be a little bit higher. It'd probably be in the 80 or 90-cent area. And then for your core traders that are holding long term, obviously that'd be back up at the previous highest point. That'd be up here at the $1.40. So right now it does show that buyers are trying to step up. We did break above the support line. We have our candlestick above the trend line. The RSI looks good. So I mean, overall this looks really good as a good buy. Even on the weekly, if we look at the weekly, you guys, this is almost a parabolic move. So you can see that all these candlesticks have just been pushing down since February. So it's been a long time to see a candlestick change. So even on the weekly, it does show that we are below this trend line. So I mean, if you wanted to be the more safer trader and you wanted more confirmation that buyers are truly stepping up, you could, let me go back to the daily real quick, you could wait for us to come back up, hit this minor resistance and pull back down onto the support, and then you could get in and have your stop loss under that support line. That'd be the more safer entry. Getting in right now, yes, would be aggressive, but if we look where we're at, we're right on the support line, so that can help us catch a quick bounce off of this level. So you do have two options. You could be the aggressive trader or the safer trader. Personally, I'm going to wait for this to come up and come back down and retest the support level, but like I said, either way, it would still be a great buy as long as you guys have your stop loss set or a mental stop loss, knowing that if it does drop below this support line, you know to get out and wait for a better entry. So I do create this content every single day besides Sunday, and if you can, please hit that like and subscribe button. It does help me out a lot. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful weekend, and I hope this helped a lot, and I'll see you guys Monday morning.